So, yesterday was quite the day. The Forest Service is in the process of installing a sprinkler system on this tower, just in case the complex of fires get any closer. They started by putting in a temporary tank down below. You can barely see it, but then they ran a line up the hill, and it basically hits a holding tank up here. And then at that point, it's pumped up the stairs. There are some sprayers down below that hit the underside of this structure here. And then at this point, they put sprinklers on all four corners. They also installed a sprinkler on the rock down below to hit the propane tank and possibly the understory of this tower. And then they also ran a small line out to the repeater sites